Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to create a portfolio in Canva. So let's have a look now. At first, log into your account. Click the Create a Design button on the Canva dashboard or Search for Portfolio in the search bar. Click on Templates in the sidebar to choose a pre-designed portfolio template. Alternatively, you can start from scratch by selecting a layout that suits your style. Divide your portfolio into sections such as Introduction, Projects, Skill, Education, and so on. For example, in this template we have Introduction in the font press, the Education Skill Experience. So create individual pages for each project or work sample. Use a consistent and visually appealing layout for each project. Upload images of your work and arrange them on the pages in a visually pleasing manner. Add text to describe each project, providing context, your role, or any other information. Create a section with your contact information, including your email, phone number, website, and social media handles. You can add animation into your images. Once you are satisfied, click the download button to save it. Okay, that's it. Your portfolio is now ready. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.